gathered to pay homage to the brave soul of India, the saint of Mother India, Swami Vivekananda. She is lighting up the diya to pay respect, to pay homage to the brave man of India. Thank you so much, sir, for your presence.
Good morning, students. Good morning to the Honorable Principal and all the staff and council who are present here. I am very glad to present here and be a part of the procession. This procession made me realize the childhood memory of my early days. And 2 years ago, I was also a part of an English medium school, and I worked there as a teacher. So all the memories that were present in my childhood days, in my teaching days, and today when I saw you, when you were in the procession, and all the little children, my students, also my brothers and sisters, all the teaching staff who were working, that was very precious for me to be again a part of the procession. And I would like to greet you with a very happy Youth Day. Today is the birthday of Swami Vivekananda, and when you were walking in the procession, I thought that the discipline I saw among the students made me very thankful that today is the giving me a chance to say something in front of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful presence.
Principal ma'am and teachers. My name is Mr. Mamata, student of class 5. Today, on the auspicious occasion of Swami Vivekananda's birth anniversary, I am going to deliver a speech on his childhood. Bhuvaneshwari Devi was a fierce lady. He was born on 12th of January 1863. He was very bold and fearless from his childhood onwards.
Young Narendra studied in the Metropolitan Institution at Calcutta, and after passing the examination, he graduated from an English college at Calcutta and passed a BA examination and further visited to study law. With the teaching, Narendra established the Ramakrishna Mission on 1st May 1987, which was also working at the present day engaged in voluntary welfare for the poor and the needy people. After becoming a monk, Narendra was named Swami Vivekananda. He visited to America to participate in the Parliament of World Religion held in Chicago, 1893.
Swami Vivekananda, one of the greatest spiritual leaders, have once said that education is not that information that is put into your mind and translated understood all your life. You must have man-making, life-building, character-making and assimilation of ideas. If you assimilate 5 ideas and make them your life and character, then you have more education than any other person. We can call Swami Vivekananda the powerhouse of India. The self-confidence resolves power and energy of thought. Not only India but the whole world gets energy from him.
12th January, we all celebrate this festival called Swami Vivekananda Jayanti, and we also celebrate this festival called the National Youth Day. In 1984, the Indian government declared this festival as the name of National Youth Day. Then we can celebrate this festival every year. The main causes to celebrate this festival is the courageous and the idle teaching of Swami Vivekananda. We celebrate this festival. There is a huge important thing, like there in India, there is 60% population in youth. This festival is celebrated in all over the India and also in the school colleges with organizing the functions like dance, music, yoga, sports and many more. The best thing for the National Youth Day is believe your mind, believe your heart, believe your commands, believe your achievements, and believe yourself. When you believe yourself, the world will salute you. Thank you.
পিতা ক্ষুদিরাম মাতা চন্দ্রমণি তব বয়স তখন একাদশ জানি পিতা ক্ষুদিরাম